Okay, switching over to voiceover. Starting off with prepping and priming my face with Lancome Teint Idol Concealer and Foundation. Then moving on to applying eyeshadow primer from Halsey's brand About Face. And this just really keeps my eyeshadow intact all day. Now moving on to my Too Faced Popcorn Balls palette and starting off with the foundational base shade of Pop Off. Now I'm going in with the color Ballin', and it's this rich plum shade, and I'm concentrating that on the outer edges to create a smoky eye effect. Now I'm going in with the gorgeous shimmer shade of Deck the Balls. Gotta love these names. Look how shimmery and pretty that color is. The color payoff is really beautiful. And I'm just concentrating that on the inner thirds, and a cool tip is use your finger. It applies more pigmented that way. Okay, gotta say I was a little bit disappointed with I'm Popular shimmer shade, but I think it's a good topper solution and it just makes the shimmer shade pop even more. Now going in with Ballin' again and concentrating that on the lower lash line just to create an overall congruent smoky eye effect. Okay, I mentioned this before, but I like to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter and use it as eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corners as well as my brow bone. Okay, it's time to line my eyes. I'm using my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen. I mentioned it before, but an extended winged liner looks a lot better on me rather than wings at an upward angle. It's just a personal preference thing. Again, this is totally optional, but I like to take my Urban Decay 24/7 liner and stash and trace over the lines to soften them up. Okay, time to curl the lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Okay, this is my go-to mascara at the moment. It's a Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof, and I think it works the best. And it was only $12 during Ulta's Black Friday deals. Now going in with the You Drive Me Glazy palette, and I'm using the blush. And just, adding some color to the cheeks. Now going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, adding some glow to the upper cheekbones, as well as the tip of my nose. Okay guys, this is my favorite lip combo at the moment. My Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993, and layered on top of that the Lancome Le Absolute Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is the finished Sugar Plum Fairy inspired makeup look, and look how cute my top is. Yes, I kind of changed into a party ready outfit because I think this is a really nice smoky shimmery eye look, perfect for holiday parties. And it kind of reminds me of a Selena Gomez look that I'll pop up right here. But yeah, all in all, just some final thoughts. I actually do like this palette. I love this shade. It is so buttery, so buildable, and it works really well. So pretty too. I'm a little bit disappointed with some of the other shimmer shades. They weren't as pigmented as I hoped they would be, and I don't know what to do with this color. I know it fits in with this whole color theme, but other than that, I like this whole theme. Kind of wish it smelled more like popcorn, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday.